Okay, first exercise is flexion. Push the head down. Second is neck extension. Change. Push the chin up. Third exercise is lateral flexion. Pull head towards your right side. Left shoulder will remain down and change. Pull the head down towards your left shoulder and right shoulder will remain down. Change. Third exercise is scapular stretch. Shoulder stretch or scapular stretch. Arm across and pull the elbow or the forearm closer to your body, keeping body straight. Chain side. Keep body straight and pull the arm closer to your chest or the other opposite shoulder. Change. Then is tricep stretch. Right hand up and with the left arm pull the elbow down. Chain side. Change. Abdomen stretch. Keep both palms behind your back to support your lower back and push the hip forward. Head and heel should remain in a straight line. Avoid looking up or dropping your head backwards. You may lose balance. So keep looking straight. Change. Lower back stretch by raising both hands up and slowly pushing the hip backwards and slowly going down, down, down and trying to touch the toe or going as much as possible closer to the toes. Change. Slowly come up. Now lateral stretch. Keep right hand up, left hand on the hip. Go down towards your left, pushing hip to the right. And change. Left hand up. Go down towards your right, push hip to the left. Change. Next exercise is quadricep stretch. Hold your right toe with both hands. Stand straight, no leaning forward, straight. Yes, and heel should touch the glutes. Chain side. Avoid looking down, look straight. You'll get better balance. Change. Hamstring stretch. Right leg forward, toe pointing up. Yeah, knee straight, left knee bend, both hands up. No, come up. Both hands straight up. Push hip backwards and slowly go down. Touch the toes with both hands, put your head down and change. Slowly come up. Left leg forward, toe pointing up. Right knee bend, push the hip behind and then slowly go down. Both hands should be together. Change. Come up. Now hip flexor stretch. Long step forward. Right leg long step forward. Take the left leg behind. Feet should be slightly wider. Yes, now it is wider. So when the feet are wider, you will not lose balance. And trailing leg, knee should be over the ankle. Leading leg, knee should be over the ankle. Trailing leg, knee should be as straight as possible. And the leading leg, thigh bone should be parallel to the ground. Upper body straight, look straight. Change. Other leg. Feet wider. Yes. Hands on your hip, look straight. Upper body straight, look straight. Trailing leg, you should be on the toe. Change, come up. Now adductor stretch, that is the inner thigh. Feet wider, toes pointing slightly outwards. You want to move slightly behind, move backwards, yes. And knee in line with your toe to your right side, toes pointing slightly out, Vivan, yes. And push the hip backwards. The more you push your hip backwards, the more stretch you will get on the left adductor, left inner thigh. Avoid leaning forward. Push hip backwards. Upper body, even if straight, it's okay. Change. Other side. Go towards your left. Push hip backwards. Look straight. Yeah. Stay in that same position. Feet wider. Knee straight. Both hands up. Go down. Touch your toes. Both toes. Feet apart, touch the toes. Yes. While touching the toes, the body weight should be on the toes. Yes. The moment the body weight is on the toes, you will get a better stretch on the hamstrings and the adductors and the calves. Change. Come up. Feet will remain wider. Come up. Both hands up. Go down towards your right side and toes should point out slightly, yes. And both hands together, put your head down, forehead should go closer to the knee. Both knees should be straight. Come up and change. Go down towards your left. Put your head down. Come up. Stand up. Now stand with your right leg over the left leg, that is legs crossed, feet wider and both toes in line. Both, if your feet are wider, you will get more balance. Both hands up. Again, push your hip backwards and slowly go down. Try touching your toes. If not the toes, try touching the ankle and stay there. Try keeping both feet flat. Slowly come up and change side. Right leg behind, left leg over the right leg, feet wider, both hands up. Look straight, push hip behind, go backwards, slowly down. Try touching the toes, both feet flat, both knees straight. Come up. Next exercise, calf stretch. Stand facing the wall and place your right toe against the wall and keeping the knee straight, push your hip forward. Push hip forward, further forward. Take left leg also ahead. Yes. And change. Left toe against the wall. Push the hip forward, keeping knee straight. Yes. Change. Face this side and squat down. Both feet flat and squat down. Yeah. As some people may call it the 7 a.m. position, which we have forgotten very nicely. So while doing this, your feet should be flat. And just squat down, full squat, complete, nice and relaxed. And sit in this position for 30 seconds. If you are losing balance, you can take support forward or sideways. Hold on to object to take support. Slowly come up. Stand. That's it. Thank you.